I just want you to focus. Pull me in, pull me closer. Give me that diagnosis. Blow my mind like explosions. Just one touch leaves me helpless. On repeat like it's endless. That she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good, damn, you did this, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. Just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. Just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus. Gotta keep your composure like you tryna earn that diploma. Do it over and over, yeah. Make it pop Coca-Cola. Keep it hot Barcelona. But she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good when I'm naked, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want.
Morning.
Oh, yeah. Oh, hello.
You got, I where? Is that where we're going?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, we just did that one. What do we think?
Hell no.
Close my eyes.
Nessa, what did you think of it?
I liked it.
Yeah?
I was smiling the whole time.
Oh. No, I was breathing. I was like, concentrate on your breathing because I don't want to pass out. Oh my gosh. You use the bathroom?
I gotta go now.
I went before because I was like, girl. That was cute though. I'm glad that we got that away. Literally, I'm crying. Look. Tears in my eyes. Don't flip around. Stop. Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Vamos a seguir, las botellas llegan y no las pedí. Sola la casa y están todas solitas. Sola la casa y están todas solitas. Si saben cómo usar para que me invitan, pa' que me yo no me complico. ¿Cómo te explico? Que a mí me gusta pasarla rico. ¿Cómo te explico? No me complico. A mí me gusta pasarla yo no me complico. ¿Cómo te explico? Que a mí me gusta pasarla rico. ¿Cómo te explico? No me complico. A mí me gusta pasarla rico. No me complico. Nah, yo no me complico. Nah, yo no me complico.
Mira, ves, ya, ahí está. No, es...
The aquaponics system on your left combines hydroponics with aquaculture. The fish provide a natural sea.
It's like sensitive. First stop, Canada.
They love their
What are
meat.
these munchies?
God, that thing. They munch it, but they don't have to.
It's a chest though. We literally have this everywhere.
Yeah, and isn't it fun? You.
Enjoy.
Thanks. Wow. What is this bone?
Fish and chips with tartar sauce.
所以你是在排队吗
对啊，不是吗？
？Tuesday, it's today. It's today's Tuesday now. Tuesday.
All right.
Are you recording?
Go ahead, yeah.
You or me? Me?
You.
All right. What am I doing? I'm Josh, and check the pins out.
This is our second stop.
We're gonna take a stop at the UK. You know, the fish and chips. Get the fish and chips, yeah, bruv. Yeah, you see it. Got the amber. I don't know. Second drink.
Yep. Yeah. Third stop, France. Yeah.
gonna kill me.
This is the 5th spot, Morocco.
My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tussies.
If this ain't giving America. Cuckoo! The little eagle. Cuckoo! Alright, we all came to a group conclusion. No, a group decision. We have skipped America. Because we see that shit every day.
When I'm dealing with this, I swear it's trouble. And I get nothing out of it. So it doesn't matter if I'm there or not. You were just afraid they'd abandon you.
7th stop, China.
Abandon you. So you abandon them.
I took a little break, but you know, we back. We in Norway. We got us a little some mystery, a little mercury drink.
Just say it.
We on our 9th? Our 8th stop, Norway. Here's our drink right here.
Mexico. No, we have to say it like how the drunk people say Mexico. Okay. Let's do it again. Our last stop. Mexico. Oh my god. That's how you know we're drunk, bro. Susie's over here eating her fucking corn. Listen. And I was like, damn, is it good? I heard that shit slurp. Like, I know. What you mean? Mexico put us out, bro. Mexico. Just us watching the fireworks show. What do we got? To Marcos. Yeah. Crushed peppers y parmesan. Is that okay?
2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now.
Da 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 da.